Hi everyone, Steve here with etrailer.com. Folks, today we're looking at our Deway battery-powered fuel transfer pump for gas cans. Now this features a 51-inch rubber hose and a nice manual trigger for filling up other containers. So most commonly you're going to use this for transferring fuel. Again, it has the built standards, or it's built to the standards for doing those kind of things. As you can see, it's got a nice small nozzle, so it's going to get into smaller holes pretty easy. And as you saw, it has this nice little latch on the side, or latch rather, for that to hang when not in use. You also do have a little bitty hanging spot here, a little latch there that you could use to hang on to something. On the side, you have your on and off buttons here. And I do want to zoom in and show you some of this stuff up closer. So starting with the bottom, you have the nice pump. That's going to go down inside of the liquid, again, most commonly fuel, that you're going to go down into for pumping out. And then you have the whole head assembly. This does require the use of two D batteries. So you'll put those D batteries in there, close it back up. And then again, you have your on-off buttons. They are a kind of press button here. Then you have an LED light indicator showing that it's on or off. You have a nice handle on the top for carrying it. And as I said, you have a little hook here on the side, or a little latch here for the handle or the head unit to hang into whenever you're not using it and you're done. Now going to the handle, again, it's a nice spring-loaded handle. And you have this little latch down here that you can cover to keep it flowing when you're not, when you need to walk away or something. And then you can simply release that to let it back out. Everything here screws together. So again, you have the nice 51-inch rubber hose. You can take that off if you need to take stuff into smaller areas, put it away, maybe in the toolbox or wherever you're keeping it. If you need to take it apart, you can easily do so by simply unscrewing the hose. Now those two D batteries are going to power the pump and transfer approximately 100 gallons. And the transfer rate is about 2.4 gallons per minute. Now the intake tube length here, from here all the way down, is approximately 19 inches, give or take, so between 18 and 19, depending on where you're measuring from. And the handle with the nozzle here, I was getting about 9 3/4 inches, so almost 10 inches long overall. So very nice. The intake down here on the bottom is approximately about 1.25 inches wide. So again, folks, just a nice little transfer pump. This is the Deway battery-powered fuel transfer pump. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.